Hi, we're just going to participate in the admin reviews of Grow Garden. I'm not sure if I will pull this video or maybe I will just cut it. So, I will just try to don't cut it because, yeah, our time is so late right now. I'm just kidding. It's just late for my family, but not for me. You mean some common eggs? I didn't want to stock that. Bro, trying to make me happy, be like, okay, finally, you're making me happy. Dude, let me see my garden, my only prismatic garden. I showed this to you yesterday. Yeah. What is that? Oh my god, it's alien-like. And it's 29 million. Guys, this is so crazy. My, I don't even know how to say English. My plants are going expensive. The Great Pumpkin literally just got 1.7 billion. 17 is my favorite number. Anyway, let me buy this. It's just 9 p.m. right now. I don't really know why are they calling this late. I also remember that this stock doesn't have a common egg, which surprised me so much. And a mythical egg, huh? The only things are on stock is uncommon egg, rare egg, and mythical egg. It's literally 1% for the common egg not to stock. Yeah, that's so low. Dude, what is this event? Okay, we have to submit fruits. Why am I exactly? Okay, let me sacrifice my beanstalk. Elder strawberry. Oh, just that I said elder strawberry. He just stocked an elder strawberry. Let me get that real quick. I have been prayed, and for that I will bless you all. Yes, thank you! I got the Pro Spike seed, which is actually legendary. I didn't know why is it a legendary. That's supposed to be at least divine or something. Hi. I'm gonna submit more. I'll just I'm so dumb. I cannot submit anymore. Anyway. Look at my garden, man. Gold and burnt chalk. Yeah. Oi. Beanstalk is on stock. Ouch, my eyes. Oh my god. Hold on. Sunflower. Yeah, I got that already. Like I said. I somehow got that. Lol. The new sunflower on stock. But I got it before this admin reviews. Yeah, I was so shocked that I almost peed my pants. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I was just so shocked. While I was calling my friend, my schoolmate, we are just calling. Then, the moment I joined Grow Garden, sunflower seed was on stock. Then, I told her that sunflower was on stock. Then she said, oh, really? Then she joined and just got it. She got it, lol. What is happening right now? Dude, my garden is gonna be crazy after this event. Jai Latte is crazy. What just happened? Level up lollipop on stock. It just restocked. Am I serious? Okay, finally master sprinkler. I just scroll. I'm just like chill feeling right now. Oh, for those who missed the sprinklers, I will restock. Okay, thank you.
Ayun yung jacket ko.
Thank you. I got the level up lollipops back, which I completely missed. Why can't I buy this thing? Oh, never mind. Why is he going crazy so early? It's just 30 minutes.
Huwag ka naman, Mabi. Magagalit sa isang tito.
Ignore the fact that my dog is biking. Pet lead, that's always on stock. Oh, never mind. It was the pet name roller who is always on stock. There. Then, medium toy. What in cans? I love this.
Fireman. Fireman si Kuya. Fireman.
This is so weird. I don't know why I'm calling this weird, man. Uy, it's blood boy touch. I can jump so high. Look at my elder strawberry. I don't know how it got that far. It just entered the black hole. It went inside the black hole. How is that even possible? Ignore the fact that this player's burning bud is 47 billion. I hope the Great Pumpkin gets more imitations though. Oi. Look at this. It's shocked. Why did you get shocked? I thought that was light cycle per second, but it was disco. Dude, don't tell me. Okay. Please give me the plasma imitation. Only few players have that. Literally. Why are you? There is no plants in this garden. Why are you lasering it? Oh, never mind. It has some plants. But he's just lasering the part with no plants. I want to make my garden beautiful though. But I just cannot. I'm turning around. Dude, what are you about to do? Oh. I thought you were gonna restock something. Okay. Bro, almost hit my garden. Actually, it did. Thank you for hitting it. My elder strawberry has ghostly, which is 25x multiplier. I cannot memorize the plants right now. Wait, this is burnt. This giant pine cone is totally burnt. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's burnt. It has some solid mutations. Oi! It's an OB. This is gonna be so easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The OB is so easy with the black hole. I know, right? Why did you even think this was hard? You can't mess this one up. Yes, I can still. Yeah. What I said is real. I can still mess this up. But it's very hard to mess up. Jump. Oh my god, this is going to be so possible. Easy.
Kuya sa Monday.
Finally, for once I got a free jump pad. There's no way someone actually messes this up, right? You can just swim up here. It's like the fly. It's like fly from admin panels. Dude, why is this burning bud so expensive? Let me climb on top of it. Please go here. There. Finally. I got here though. Let me swim to my elder strawberry real quick. Yeah, let's just make a part of this video since this video is pretty long now. So make sure to watch the part 2.